Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair dropped 0.8% in the last session, after rising as much as 1% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. After a 2.6% dip during the last session, the oil dollar pair closed 2.1% in the green. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The S&P 500 ended higher, lifted by Eli Lilly and Apple, as investors weighed progress in US trade negotiations with Japan against concerns about the interest rate outlook. Traders leaned toward optimism following Trump's comments about big progress in the bilateral talks. The cryptocurrency market is still recycling old narratives, with few new trends yet to emerge and replace the dominant themes in the first quarter of 2025. AI tokens and meme coins were the dominant crypto narrative in the first quarter of 2025, accounting for 62.8% of investor interest. The US dollar gained after its recent weakness across peer currencies appeared exhausted for the time being, while the euro weakened slightly after the European Central Bank cut rates for the 7th time in a year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT. Italy's trade balance EU at 8 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 17 GMT. Italy's trade balance EU at 8 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.